Now, this is how you can fill up PDF form on your Android. So you will likely not be able to do it easily with the built-in solutions and methods. So I recommend you to look it up and open up the Google Play Store and then download a specific app for it. The one I would recommend you to try out is one called the Jet Sign. It is available both on Android as well as iOS. So you can go ahead and download the app. And using this app, once you go through the setup process and go through the introduction and everything, you will have the ability to import a PDF file inside of this app. And it's going to give you many different options to interact with the PDF. So you can tap on any text field or any place you wish on that PDF, and you can add a signature there. You can add a text, you can add a check mark, you can add the X, which you are supposed to put in a box or in a square. So you have plenty of different options on how you can fill out a form which is in a PDF format on your Android, especially using an app like this. So once you just go through the document, you fill it up with all of the information needed, you can then save it and export it as a copy, and this will mean that you will have a filled up form which you have done or performed it through your Android device. So it's really simple to do. There are, of course, other third-party apps which do the same thing, and you can try out those, but most of them only work for free in limited fashion. This one is no exception. Of course, you can only perform a few edits in the free version, and then it just requires you to buy the subscription. But if you don't do it too often, then the free version is going to be more than good. So that's it from me. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe for more so you never miss another tutorial in the future.